Welcome to my presentation about Google Cardboard. What will you need? Step 1. Find an application, Google Cardboard, on Play Store from Google or App Store from Apple. Download it and install to your device. You need special hardware called Cardboard, which is on the photo, and you can buy it from Google or you can buy any VR glasses. If you got Google Cardboard, you should build it as you see on the pictures. When everything is ready, you can run your application. There are 3 possibilities to choose: demos, 360 video channel and Street View. If you've chosen demos, put your phone inside the cardboard and you can choose from another 5 options. 3 are interesting. You can see your videos or photos in VR mode, or you can choose Arctic Journey. If you've chosen 360 video channel, it is YouTube channel switched to VR videos. So you can choose whatever you want from these videos, but the next step, which is very important, is to activate cardboard mode, which you can see in the middle picture. Put your phone inside the cardboard and enjoy. On cardboard, there is a button which activates another possibilities of 360 videos. Street View is in fact Google Maps with Street View, but not all places around the world, only few ones, but each day there are more and more added. What is perfect that you can use cardboard on every website with VR or 360 videos. Just tap on the video, activate cardboard mode, put your phone into the cardboard and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye, folks.